5-minute workout that replaces high-intensity cardio. Is it you who always dreamt about the fit body, but didn't know how to start? Or is it you who always thought that squats and crunches are just too much for you? We found a solution for you. No matter whether you're a beginner or just a busy lady or gentleman. These 7 simple exercises will take just 5 minutes of your time and will suit any level of physical condition. Because they're all based on one phenomenal exercise. Plank. Hey. Don't run away. No, this is good. Plank is famous for its 4 main benefits. 1. A toned belly. 2. Strong back. 3. Flexible body. 4. Good posture. Just do it with us every day, preferably in the morning when you're still fresh and full of energy. And we will make sure that every training is fun. And in just 30 days you will be surprised to find a so much slimmer and fitter body in the mirror. Hey! What are you doing in my bathroom? So, why do we make the first step to your transformed body right now? Let's start. You don't even have to start your stopwatch. I'll be counting for you. Exercise number 1, full plank. Lie down with your belly on the floor. Then raise your body on your straight arms and toes and keep it horizontally. Your body should make a straight line head to heels. Breathe normally. You need to keep this position only for 60 seconds. Let's give it a try. Ready? The countdown starts now. Plank is one of the best exercises for core conditioning. It strengthens your abs, but also works your glutes and hamstrings, supports proper posture and improves balance. How are you doing? Hold on. Try to breathe normally. Inhale. Exhale. That's right. Okay, just 5 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow. That's great. Let's try the next one. Exercise number 2. Elbow plank. Keep the same position on your belly. Now, raise your body on your elbows and toes and keep it horizontally. Your body should make a straight line head to heels. Don't forget to breathe normally. This time only 30 seconds. Come on. You can do it. Plank is one of the basic poses in yoga. So, you can be sure it is absolutely healthy for your body and will keep you energized for the whole day. Yogis don't lie, especially the yogi who said when you come to the fork in the road, take it. Three, 2, 1. You are super duper. I'm amazed. Alright, here we go. Exercise number 3. Raised leg plank. Prop your body in the position of elbow plank. Raise your right leg to the level of your glutes or higher and breathe normally. Up we go. Breathe normally because your muscles will need to receive oxygen. If you hold your breath, your blood and abdominal pressure can increase significantly and have harmful effects on your body. Three, 2, 1. Now put your right foot on the floor and raise the left leg to the level of your glutes. That's right. Hold on. Apart from working on your back, abs, chest, neck and shoulders, leg raise plank also strengthens your glutes and back thighs, and every exercise that we do should be healthy to your body. So, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. 2, 1. Great. I can see you're ready for exercise 4. Left side plank. Turn to your left side and put the left elbow strictly under the shoulder. Make sure your legs are straight. Now, push your bottom and waist up. Balance yourself on your arm and feet until your body makes a diagonal line. Breathe normally. And up. Only 30 seconds. Side plank makes your abdominal side muscles stronger and keeps your waist thin. Wow. It's also a great pose to strengthen your shoulders and arms. That's right. It's not hard, is it? Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Exercise number 5. Can I guess? Right side plank. Turn to your right side and put the right elbow strictly under the shoulder. Make sure that your legs are straight. Now push your bottom and waist up. Balance yourself on your arm and feet until your body makes a diagonal line and breathe normally. And another 30 seconds have started just now. Keep your balance. Don't sink in the shoulder. I can see you. You are doing great. We're almost there. Three, 2, 1. Okay, just 2 exercises left. Exercise number 6. Full plank again. Absolutely, you've done this one before. Let's repeat. Raise your body on your straight arms and toes and keep it horizontally. Your body should make a straight line head to heels. Breathe normally. This time only 30 seconds. You can do it. Make sure your palms are right under your shoulders, if not, move them carefully. Your body should feel solid. Yes, just like that. You are just a plank superhero. You know that, don't you? Maybe 5 more seconds. And here they are. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow. And one last exercise to go. Exercise 7. Elbow plank. Yes, again. Okay, keep the same position on your belly. Now raise your body on your elbows and toes and keep it horizontally. Your body should make a straight line head to heels right. And breathe. You should hold the position for 60 seconds. How you doing? Keep your glutes down, your body is a straight line. Yeah, there you go. Oh, 30 seconds already passed, and you are still standing. You are my superstar. Alrighty. Keep going. 5 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright. You've done it. You are a god of plank. Alright. And here is your daily workout plan summary that might be handy. Number 1, full plank. 1 minute. 2, elbow plank. 30 seconds. 3, raised leg plank, right leg. 30 seconds, left leg. 30 seconds. 4, right side plank. 30 seconds. 5, left side plank. 30 seconds. 6, full plank. 30 seconds. 7, elbow plank, 1 full minute. And one last thing before we say goodbye today. Once you feel that you are ready to intensify your workout, try not to lie down on the floor between the exercises and just keep your body up while changing the arms position. Yeah, you can do it. I'm sure you can make it. See you tomorrow. Have you tried plank exercises before? Share your experiences in the comments. Don't forget to hit the like button and click subscribe to stay on TOPify.